Okay, well, as you can see, this is working out rather nicely already. So we're only sort of 25 minutes into the trade, and just over 25 minutes, I suppose, call it 30 minutes, and we're on the right side of the trade. So, good feeling to have really, and we got 16 and a half hours to go, as you can see from time remaining there. And it's got to be below 157.81.5. And looking on the big charts here, this red horizontal line is the line it's got to be below in order to be a profitable trade, and there we go, it's looking rather good. So I will be able to sleep well tonight. And a little bit of tonic water, excuse me. So if we move up to the higher time frames, that's the 5 minute in the 5 minute channel there. 3 5 minute candles there with hesitation in. So you can never catch these things perfectly, by the way. So don't expect any trader in any institution. I mean, if you do get it perfect, there's more luck than judgment. But I was within about 10 pips of the high point here. So went to 90, went at 81 something. So within 9 pips of the peak. So, and all we're asking is that the price is below, well, on this chart it would be 157.80 because there's a 1 pip difference between these two charts. And as you can see, we're going to be below this barrier line, and we're sort of on the barrier line. In fact, we're going down now. So this is, you can see the spot price here. This is pulling back very nicely. My speciality really is selling into resistance around this time of day for all sorts of reasons, and I don't have time to explain it in this short video, but just keep you updated regarding this particular trade. So 16 hours 25 minutes to go, just over that. And we'll see how this works out. I had 3 trades already this week, 2 winners, 1 small loser, so we're up on the week. And if these 2 trading positions work out, it will have been yet another very good week, despite volatility in the market and a lot of problems going on in the world. I've sort of worked our way through, found a way through to get some profitable positions. The volatility is good because that's when you get price differentials, and we can take advantage of that. So from me, Nick, in the trading room, wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well, be good to each other, and I wish you good, safe, happy trading. All the best, and thanks for watching.